Hi everyone, welcome to JUENFO Kitchen where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy these saltfish fritters. I have some all-purpose flour here in this bowl. It does not need to be sifted or anything. I'm going to add some baking powder, a little bit of black pepper, some all-purpose seasoning. If you have fish seasoning, you can add that in instead or in addition to the all-purpose. I don't have any, so I'm just using some all-purpose. I'm adding a tiny bit of salt. So you want to be mindful of the amount of salt that you're adding. Remember that the saltfish has some amount of salt in it, so be careful not to oversalt your fritters. And the amount of salt that you add will also depend on how well you boil your saltfish. I'm going to give this a quick mix. And then I'm going to add the rest of seasonings that I have here. So I have some onion, scallion, Scotch Bonnet Pepper. If you don't like your food to be spicy, you can leave this out. This is optional. And some Fresh Thyme. And by the way, I removed the seeds and pit from my Scotch Bonnet Pepper. Now I'm going to add my saltfish, which I've already prepared. If you need a tutorial for this, I have one, so I'll link the video above as well as in the description. So I didn't realize that the camera wasn't filming, so I just added some water to my ingredients here. And this is just room temperature water, and you want to add it gradually. So when you're done mixing, you want the consistency of your batter to look somewhat like this. It should be thick, but yet you're able to pour it. I'm heating up some vegetable oil, which is just about ready, and I'm not going to heat the oil to the point where it starts to smoke. I'm using a measuring cup to drop them in, but you can use a spoon if you like. And my flame is on medium. And try not to crowd your pan. I'm going to leave it at 3 for the time being. We fry these for about 2 minutes per side, and once the edges start to crisp up and turn brown, you know that they're ready to flip. So based on the size, I was able to get a total of 9 fritters from my batter. Of course, you can make yours to whatever size you like. I hope you enjoyed these fritters as much as I did. You can find the recipe in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. And let's get to our first 1,000 subscribers. Let's stay connected, so follow me on all my other socials, which are all linked in the description as well. Thanks for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.